To get started with the Semrush Social Media Toolkit, first log into your Semrush account and navigate to the Social Media section. This toolkit is designed to help you track and analyze your social media performance across various platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and more. Once you are in the social media section, click on the Setup button to connect your social media profiles. You will be prompted to authenticate your accounts, which will allow Semrush to access your social media data. This is a straightforward process that typically requires you to enter your login credentials or authorize Semrush through the social media platform's authentication process. After connecting your profiles, you will be taken to the social media dashboard, where you can view an overview of your social media performance. This includes metrics such as follower growth, engagement rates, and content performance. You can use this data to identify trends, track your progress over time, and compare your performance to that of your competitors. One of the key features of the Semrush Social Media Toolkit is the ability to track your social media posts and their performance. You can view metrics such as likes, comments, and shares, as well as the engagement rate for each post. This data can help you understand what types of content are resonating with your audience and adjust your social media strategy accordingly. In addition to tracking your own social media performance, the Semrush Social Media Toolkit also allows you to monitor your competitors' social media activity. You can add your competitors' social media profiles to the toolkit and view their performance metrics, including their follower growth, engagement rates, and content performance. This can help you identify gaps in the market and opportunities to outperform your competitors. To get the most out of the Semrush Social Media Toolkit, it is essential to set up tracking and analytics for all of your social media profiles. This will provide you with a complete picture of your social media performance and help you make data-driven decisions to improve your social media strategy. By following these steps and using the Semrush Social Media Toolkit to its full potential, you can gain a deeper understanding of your social media audience, optimize your content, and drive more traffic and sales through social media.